Okay, so apparently there's going to be 3 videos of this. Okay, people are setting off fireworks. But in the second video, a whole streak of lightning just went like straight down, and that's the best shot I've gotten of it. A little just happened. That's basically it that's been happening. The first video didn't get too much stuff. So yeah. Second video wasn't very long because it kind of freaked me out because there wasn't really anything happening. So it just kind of got me and I was like, oh my god. So I was brave enough to stay outside. Well, it's not really the truth. I came back out a couple seconds later, but whatever. It is what it is. Don't judge. Oh my god, my hand is so shaky. Anyway, I can't remember the last time I uploaded. It was probably like just a few days ago, which was my ship bed, but oh, stupid moth thing. Whatever. There's a tree right there. You can't see it because my phone has horrible quality. There's a whole bunch of trees just there. Yeah, there's houses in front of me, but like, see, I shook. I got shaken. I got shooken up. Oh, they're not happy. These thunder gods are not happy. Okay, I suck at commentary. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the description, because I don't know what I'm going to put in the description. Just please check it out. You'll be A-okay. Oh, okay, they are not happy. Mine. That was weird. Weird. I don't know. It's June bud. Dims is nasties. Ugh. It's not raining any like it started to. It's like off and on. Oh. I don't know if my phone got that. I don't know, like I said, my phone's graphics and stuff just suck. Okay, yeah, nothing's really happening anymore, so I think I'm gonna end it. Like I said, like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Yeah, do that, so you get updated whenever I upload another video on my stupid, crappy, freaking quality videos. Oh my god, water just hit my toe. Okay, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. I think. I don't know, I might not end it here. Hocus pocus, everybody's bogus. That's what you say to someone whenever they bogus. I mean, my cousin says it to me all the time whenever I see people are bogus. Well, yeah, nothing's really happening there, so I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye. Bye. Bye. Oh, what was that? Goodbye.